My topic is secure authenticated communication via digital signature and clear list in VANET. VANET is the subclass of MANET. It is deployed in roads where vehicles constitute mobile nodes. Nowadays, the VANET is in the key enabling technology in intelligent transportation system. It works by interconnecting based on following three entities like roadside unit, onboard unit, and trusted authority. It is the first line of security in VANET. In VANET, before a vehicle receives a message from a node, the revocation checking process to be done for authorizing purpose. It is mandatory to do. So in the existing schemes, they used CRL, Certificate Revocation List. In CRL list, the revoked vehicles will be placed in this CRL list, which will be approved by the certificate authority. Because of using this CRL, a large amount of storage space is needed to store the informations. So we are trying to propose a new solution named DNSA, Digital Novel Signature Authentication, and pairing the vehicular nodes based on key authentication. Main drawback that exists in the existing schemes are nothing but a huge amount of storage space is needed for a CRL checking process before a vehicle receives a message. To overcome these issues, we proposed a scheme, as I said earlier, DNSA, and using a flag list. Using this flag list, there will be no need to store the information of the keypads after the authentication. So the authentication phase will be done efficiently. The CRL checking process should be done before verification. By reviewing many papers, we came to know that we are facing the problem in CRL checking process because of that computation delay cost, and a large amount of storage space is needed for storing information, which is nothing but the CRL. So currently they try to overcome this problem by expedite message authentication protocol, which is calculated by hash message authentication code. Problem statement: the main challenge that we are facing in VANET is the storage issue involved in revocation checking process. In many papers, they proposed various schemes to overcome this challenge using fog computing, Bloom filter, Merkle, hash tree, distributed management of CRL, and by reducing the lifetime of certificate. The problem statement is nothing but providing a solution for storage space issue in revocation checking process to reduce high implementation cost and communication delay. By the impact of this problem is nothing but there will be high implementation cost, so it will produce the access delay also. For most of these schemes, a large amount of storage space is needed for revocation checking process, as it also produces the communication overhead. These are the consequences that affect the vehicular nodes in authentication phase. Methodology: VANETs are vulnerable to different types of attacks. To prevent this, different protocols and algorithms are adopted to reduce the risk. One of the best known methods is certificate revocation list checking, CRL, but this process has demerits like processing delay and large storage space requirement. Other method we proposed replacing the CRL list with DNSA, Digital Novel Signature Authentication, using VRP, which is nothing but VANET routing protocol. VANET routing protocol is the modified version of AODV protocol. This AODV considers all nodes equally, so any node can take part in routing and data transmission, as it causes major collisions and accidents in the network. So we proposed a special packet, as I said, DNSA, which is nothing but digital novel signature authentication, which is created using DSA algorithm. If a node needs to be participated in routing or sending messages, first the node needs to be authenticated. For that, RSU keeps a flag list or else we can say an authentication list. When a node tries to communicate with this RSU check with the authentication list whether the node is genuine or not. After the authentication is completed, a flag list which is similar to CRL is generated to grant or deny the access for communication of the nodes. This requires least storage space and processing delay, which can be performed on a bit flag value. These are the steps followed in digital novel signature authentication for permitting a vehicle. Each vehicle entering the VANET will be having a key pair. Usually the key pairs are used for encryption and decryption. The private key is used for signing, which is referred as the signature key, and the public key will be used as the verification key. The sender sends a message to the hash function and it produces hash code. Hash value and signature key are then fed to the signature algorithm, which produces digital signature on a given hash. These are the steps followed in digital novel signature authentication for permitting a vehicle. Each vehicle entering the VANET will be having a key pair. Usually the key pairs are used for encryption and decryption. The private key is used for signing, which is referred as the signature key, and the public key will be used as a verification key. The sender sends a message to the hash function and it produces hash code. Hash value and signature key are then fed to the signature algorithm, which produces digital signature on a given hash. This signature is appended to the data and then both are sent to the verifier. Verifier feeds the digital signature and the verification key into the verification algorithm. The verification algorithm gives some value as output. This verifier also runs some hash function on received data to generate hash value. For verification, this hash value and result of verification algorithm are compared. Based on the result, the verifier decides whether the digital signature is genuine or not. Since this digital signature is created by the sender of the private key, and it also follows non-repudiation. So in the future the sender cannot negotiate about regarding his sign. Objective: instead of CRL, we are adopting a new key management scheme and pairing the vehicular nodes based on key authentication. The new key management scheme is nothing but DNSA, and the hashing algorithm is also present in this key management scheme. Once the keys are used, it need not be maintained and stored for the further pairing process. So there will be no need of storage space required once the authentication is done. For that, first we authenticate each node with RSA by sending a special authentication packet named DNSA to ensure the security and integrity of data transmission using a protocol named VANET routing protocol. VANET routing protocol will be the updated version of AODV protocol, which is nothing but ad hoc on-demand distance vector routing protocol. This AODV is nothing but a loop-free routing protocol. Now we have entered into the key generation phase. From the sender side, the authentication code is converted to hash code using hashing algorithm. First it will generate the private key, and using the same private key it will generate the public key. After that, the authentication code will be generated using private key and hash code. Later, the hash code and public key will be transmitted to RSU. Then this RSU reconstructs the private key using public key, and the authentication code is reconstructed with a generated private key value. If the received code and reconstructed code are same, then we can come to a conclusion that the authentication will be successful. Based on this authenticity, the vehicle node will be permitted or denied for communication, and the final output will be in the form of bit flag value using a binary value either 0 or 1. Because of using this newly proposed scheme, which is nothing but DNSA, we can avoid unnecessary delay in the authentication phase, which will make the further pairing process in an efficient way. So we adopted a minimum flag list which is similar to CRL form to grant access to signed and authorized node in VANET, and by using our new scheme we can reduce processing time, thus it will automatically reduce communication delay too. In our project we have proposed a better authentication scheme for communication without using storage space. Thank you.